Hi, I'm Joe Barton from RAMP, the Dentist Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I want to talk about billboard advertising. In our experience across the country, billboard advertising is very expensive compared to other advertising mechanisms. In addition, billboard companies try to get you to sign multiple month contracts, which we don't generally recommend because if the billboard doesn't work, you're stuck with that expensive piece of property. When it comes to creative, something we find when dentists buy billboards on their own, since it is so costly, they try to put as much stuff as they can on the billboard, which isn't what you should do. You only have 2 to 3 seconds to capture somebody as they're driving past your billboard. So less is more. Keep it brief and be concise. 2 things that we find in dentistry that could be effective in billboards is emergency dentistry and geographic location. So what I mean by that is if there's a billboard a half a mile down the road from your practice, just put your logo on there with an arrow pointing straight ahead, and it's a half mile down the road on the right. To learn more about RAMP, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.